First question. Political thought originated in ancient Europe in A. Rome, B. Greece, C. England, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Greece. Second, who among the following is not a Greek political thinker? Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, Machiavelli. Answer is D. Machiavelli is not a Greek political thinker. Third, Greece is situated in the of Europe, north, south, east, west. Answer is B. South. Basically, the people of Greece lived in city, the state, city-state, both A and B. Answer is C. City-states. Fifth, a city-state was a modern city, a small nation-state, a community of people living together, a village. Answer is C. A community of people living together. Next, Athens was a city-state, a village, a township, a state. Answer is A city-state. The people of Greece developed their philosophy because they were warriors, they had calm and clear minds. God revealed philosophy to them. D. None of the above. Answer is B. They had calm and clear mind. Plato lived during 5th and 4th century BC, 4th and 3rd century BC, and 3rd, 4th and 5th century AD. So answer is first 5th and 4th century BC. Plato was a disciple of Aristotle. Answer is Socrates. So Plato was a disciple of Socrates and Aristotle was a disciple of Plato. Next question. Plato instituted. Answer is A. The Academy. Plato was a political thinker, a political philosopher, a mathematician, all of the above. The answer is D. All the above. Which one of the following is Plato's work? The Lyceum, the Prince, the Republic, none of the above. Answer is C. The Republic. Following is a fundamental idea of Plato. Theory of education, the idle man, theory of justice, all the above. The answer is D. All the above. According to Plato, the following are three elements in man: reason, spirit, appetite. B. Reason, justice, equality. C. Justice, liberty, equality. And D. Reason, spirit and justice. Answer is A. Reason, spirit and appetite. In Plato state, the element of reason is present in philosopher, soldier, workers, common man. Answer is philosopher. In Plato state, the element of spirit is present in. Answer is B. Soldiers. In Plato state, the element of appetite is present in. So answer is C. Worker. Not philosopher. Philosophers are there. Reason, soldiers, spirit and appetite in worker. Next, according to the philosophy of Plato, the fundamental character of philosopher is wisdom, courage, appetite, none of the above. The answer is A. Wisdom. The basic character of soldier according to Plato is. Answer is B. Courage. In Plato state, the economic motive is satisfied by. Answer is C. Worker. In Plato state, the government is run by. Answer is A. Philosophers. Plato's philosopher king is. Answer is Plato is a philosopher who is like a king. Answer is C. The most prominent characteristic of Plato's state is There is a specialization of function. There is no specialization of function. There is decentralization of function. There is no decentralization of function. Answer is A. There is specialization of function. Next, according to Plato, the state is justice, liberty, and equality writ large. The state society writ large. The state is philosopher writ large. The state is individual writ large. The answer is D. The state is individual writ large. Next, Plato was for equal status for men and women, higher status for men, higher status for women, none of the above. Answer is equal status for men and women. Option A. According to Plato, the objective of state is, the answer is option A, good life. There are four options: good life, good administration, and good philosophy, good economy. Answer is A, good life. Platonic system of education is option A, systematic and progressive, B, systematic but not progressive, C, progressive but not systematic, D, neither systematic nor progressive. Answer is A, systematic and progressive. According to the Platonic system of education, higher education starts at the age of, the answer is B, 20. According to the Platonic system of education for the philosopher king is, answer is C, lifelong. Plato's system of communism is meant only for, the answer is first A, philosopher or soldier class. According to Plato's communism, only the upper class can have property, only the lower class can have property, both upper class and lower class can have property, neither upper class nor lower class can have property. The answer is B, only the lower classes can have property. According to Plato, the reason for not giving private property to all classes is because, the answer is D, both B and C. Private property will lead to personal ambitions, and economic and political power in the same hands is not for state. Next, according to Plato's scheme of education, higher education consists of the study of, answer is B, logic, mathematics, geometry, astronomy. Next, according to Plato's scheme of education, gymnastic is good for the, answer is A, body. According to Platonic scheme of education, music is good for, answer is B, soul. According to Plato, justice at the individual level means, answer is A, selection the true vocation in life. 37. According to Plato, justice has, answer is C, both individual and social dimensions. 38. Platonic concept of justice at the societal level means division of society into, answer is A, philosophers, soldiers and workers. According to Plato, the following classes should live in barracks. Answer is philosopher and soldiers, C. Next, Plato's Republic contains his idea about justice, theory of state, theory of education, all the above. Answer is all the above, D. The Academy instituted by Aristotle was called, answer is B, Lyceum. Who among the following strongly said that man is a political animal? Answer is C, Aristotle. According to Aristotle, when family cannot meet all man's needs, he formed village. Or then village cannot fulfill the need, then form a state. The answer is A. According to Aristotle, well, family cannot meet all men's need, he formed the village. According to Aristotle, the following is the highest form of community. Answer is D, state. Who said the state came into being for the sake of good life and continues for the sake of good life? Answer is A, Socrates. No, sorry. Answer is C. Aristotle, who said, "Without the state, man cannot realize his destiny." Answer is A. Answer is C. Aristotle. According to Aristotle, the state is product of selfishness of man, a convenience, organic in nature, inorganic in nature. The answer is C. Organic in nature. Who among the following philosophers proposed the evolutionary theory of state? The answer is C. Aristotle. According to Aristotle, the function of the state is, answer is A. Good administration. Who among the following philosophers proposed a theory of slavery? The answer is B. Aristotle. According to Aristotle, the particular quality of a master is, answer is B. Intellectual strength. In a master-slave relationship, according to Aristotle, the slave is not at all benefited selling his work to his master. D. None of the above. So answer is B. Benefited. Next, according to Aristotle, slavery is good for the slaves because, the answer is D. He gets virtue in a second-hand manner. According to Aristotle, a master can use the slaves A. to make money or power, to protect himself, for leisure. D. None of the above. So answer is C. For leisure. According to Aristotle, constitution, the answer is D. All of the above. Determines arrangement of the office of the state, determines who hold the offices, and is not just the part of the state but the state itself. Next, according to Aristotle, the three normal forms of government are, answer is A. Kingship, aristocracy, and polity. Next, according to Aristotle, kingship might degenerate into, the answer is A. Tyranny. According to Aristotle, which one of the following is the best form of the government? The answer is A. Kingship. According to Aristotle, the cause of revolution is, answer is D. All of the above. Man's desire for equality and love for gain and honor, undue importance of some individual in public life, carelessness in granting office, and neglect of change.